If you ever tried to remove the Dashcam USB drive from the glove box in a Tesla Model 3 Highland or Model Y Juniper, you know how tight and dark that space is. It's not easy to access. We found a simple fix. Just plug a short USB extension cable into the Glovebox USB port. Now the flash drive is right up front and much easier to unplug and plug back inches. But before removing the flash drive, always make sure that Sentry Mode is turned off and the Dashcam recording is paused. That way, the drive is safely ejected and your files won't get corrupted. Even better, we can connect the 4-in-1 Glovebox USB Hub to the extension. The blue USB 3.0 port is the only one you should use for the Dashcam or Sentry Mode drive. The other 3 USB ports are perfect for charging or for plugging in things like game controllers, USB drives, or other accessories. It's a clean, plug-and-play upgrade that makes the Glovebox port way more useful. You'll find the product link down in the description.